Every 30 seconds, a burglary is taking place. The average loss from a burglary is $2,065 US. Worse, 67% of victims develop a mental health problem and 63% develop sleeping problems. As such, it pays to install a security system, preferably before you're burgled. I'm Christian Cawley and you're watching Make Use Of Reviews. This is the DEFED security alarm smart kit from LifeSmart, which I've recently installed in my home office, a purpose-built outbuilding where I earn my living. The DEFED smart kit comprises a smart station, the wall-mounted heart of the kit, a single motion sensor, a door and window sensor, an indoor siren and a key fob. Each of these devices comes with its own mounting solution, suitable for brick, wood, or simply using adhesive strips for a more flexible fitting. While the smart station can be powered by a standard power adapter or 48-volt PoE, that's power over Ethernet, the other devices have long-term batteries. The smart station does have space for a pair of 18650 cells, but these are intended to provide 18 hours of backup in a power outage. While the kit is relatively straightforward to install, there are some early shortcomings, namely the length of the cables. Both the power cable adapter and the Ethernet cable are just 1 meter long, thereby limiting your options for mounting the smart station on a wall. Now, it is designed to sit on a table as well, but while the triangular LED indicator is pleasant enough to look at, it's not really a centerpiece. The LED is important to checking the status of the DEFED security alarm kit. It has several modes, each for a different status. An unarmed system is blue, for example, whereas the armed DEFED is a red breathing or slow pulsing. Some different colours are seen while setting up the system, with a yellow breathing light when the system is connected to Ethernet, orange breathing when partially armed, and unsurprisingly a red flashing light when the alarm is sounding. Any of the sensors can trigger the alarm as long as they have been paired with the smart station. Everything is managed via a mobile app. Now, this is a curious mix of straightforward configuration and mysterious menus that don't appear to have any clear guidance anywhere. The result is a confusing collection of easily enabled alarms and baffled alerts in the palest, least urgent font you can imagine, complete with uninteresting messages that don't tell you what is actually happening unless you happen to have a thesaurus and dictionary to hand. Furthermore, I struggled to arm the system initially. The LifeSmart support team were pretty helpful here, enabling it on my behalf and referring me to a video that I should have watched but wasn't aware of. But the troubling thing here is that arming is via another of those mysterious app menus, and there doesn't seem to be any video about configuring complex triggers, something this app is clearly capable of. The app serves its purpose as being a controller for the DEFED smart security system, but it could be so much more useful, especially as sadly this kit doesn't have any smart home integration. That's right, no HomeKit, no Alexa, no Google Home. I had been expecting this functionality, so its absence was a bit of a surprise, to be honest, especially after committing several hours of attempted connection and configuration. But all that aside, what does this system do to defend your property? To find out, I attempted to break in. Now, when I say break in, I mean enter my home office without disarming the system and avoiding damage to the door and window. The result is a deafening alarm that is designed to send the intruder far away. Simultaneously, an alarm rings on the mobile app informing you that an intruder has been detected. Okay, that didn't work. Tricky to have confidence in a security system that doesn't go off when someone intrudes, isn't it? Don't know what to do. Okay, so I've disarmed it and I'm going to rearm it now and see what it
if it goes off. Yeah, just nothing happening. We'll go again.
Having used the DEFED system for a few weeks, my main impression is that it isn't as good as expected. Moreover, I found myself using the key fob more than the mobile app, although the stated 800 metre range of the key fob seems to be an exaggeration, as I struggle to get it to work over 8 metres. 2 metres is usual. Promising much, but delivering a run-of-the-mill experience, the DEFED security alarm kit has useful smart home integration, but is let down by a complete lack of documentation and an overly complicated mobile app. It's usable as a day-to-day smart security solution with app integration, but ultimately the DEFED security alarm kit isn't going to blow you away. If you like this video, subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel, where you'll find more reviews, tips, tricks and giveaways.